Hello and welcome to this brand new Gunpla Network broadcast. This week in the news, the latest press release revealed the launch date of the next Figure Rise Bust Fumina. The ending team version will be released in May 2017 and will sell for 1,620 yens. Because bandai like to exploit the young teenage girl, we continue with another Fumina figure. This time, it's the Chara'GGUY Fumina and Gyanko. Both of them will be released in June and will sell for 972 yens. A new IBO GEKKO kit will be released in June, and that's the Dantalion T-Booster. You can get it for 1,728 yens. Did you like the Denial Gundam? If so, you will be pleased with the brand new Schwarz Ritter that will be released in May and will be sold for 2,160 yen. New Anime Man's new kit, and we have our very first kit from Twilight Axis coming out in spring 2017, the HG Tristan. The press release does not make mention of any price and if they could sparkle under the sun because, you know, Twilight, Vampire, Werewolf, Team Edward, Team Jacob. Yeah, that was a weird time. In Japan, 7-Eleven is an institution, and that's why we got the new 7-Eleven Perfect Grade Special Edition Gundam Astray green frame that has been released this month with limited edition decals. 10 years ago, I was a Halo 3 pro gamer in high school. I didn't have any girlfriend, but you know what I had? Gundam the Bolo. And to celebrate the 10 years anniversary, Bandai will release a new P-Bandai edition of the Bolo Riser, the Transam. It will be released in June 2017 and will cost 29,700 yen. And if your wallet was not suffering enough, you can also get a set of clear part for 4,104 yen. That will make your Gundam look like one of these old Game Boy Color. Man, the 90s were so fucking awesome. That was it for the news. Let's continue with the top 5 builds of the week presented by the Gunpla Network Facebook page. Before we start, honorable mention to Handmade and his custom RX0. I would have put him in the top, but we don't have enough picture to admire the build, and since this is his entry for the World Cup, I will wait for official picture. In 5th place this week, Joshua Reyes and his MK2 Armoro version. In 4th place, our favorite special kind of pigeon, Rimicho, and his pigeon Zazabi. In 3rd place, Sunkyun Park and the Yakushiki Kai. In 2nd place, the Gundam Chimeris Ho-Ho HA by RZ Arts. In 1st place, the Wing Protoss Zero Custom by Timo. Before we go, special shout out to Reggie Smith, one of our community members on Facebook, that did a full review of the brand new Master Grade Providence on his YouTube channel. Just type Reggie Smith on YouTube to find him or follow his work on the Gunpla Network Facebook page. So that was it for this week. My name is Danik. And for anything Gunpla related, stay connected to the Gunpla Network.